So today, sticking with the Pokeball theme, we've got this Premier Ball. I don't know if there's any different packs or anything in it compared to what we're in the two Moon Balls we've opened so far. So let's rip her open and find out. What was in the last one? Base set, Paradox Rift, and I can't remember the name of the other pack. But first one we opened, we got some alright pulls. Second one, nothing too crazy. And yeah, so yeah, same packs as last time. Got obviously the ball itself, stick that away for now. Then two little stickers with that thing, little gems. I got a little grass dog. So just go in order of the packs. Temporal Forces first. Pack number 1, Temporal Forces. Let's get into it. Like, I don't know how to open these. Someone said you just rip it like that. There you go. So pack number 1, Temporal Forces. 1, 2. Got the grass. Got the code card. Dusion, Haunter, Pikachu, Ghastly, Centiskorch, Buddy, Iron Threads, Dusion, Arbok, and Iron Boulder EX. Nice shine on him. So I'll add the totals for his pack on screen. Pop them on the side for now. Tell you what though, we'll put you in a sleeve. Stick you back here for now. We'll do Scarlet and Violet base set next. So pack number 2, base set, Scarlet and Violet. Again, not the easiest way to rip this open. Just pull them apart. Yeah. Base set, pack number 2. Let's get into it. I've got Primarth to start. 1, 2. So fighting, go to the Primarth. Got that. There he is. Pawmi, Tarasumi, Riolu, Cacturn, Messagorza, Drifblim, Energy Reveal, Viper, and Hawlucha. Yeah, so I'll add the totals for his pack on screen. Our 3rd final pack is Paradox Rift. So again, get the pack started before I do the intro. Just like that. Pack number 3, Paradox Rift. Let's go. I get you and you. So code card, fighting, Wiglet, Jirachi, got a booster box about to open, Knuckle, Parasona, Tatsugui, Vanilla Ice, Defiance Vest, Elekid, Nickit, and the Moshihold EX. Sure, I've had this card before. I'll add the totals for his pack on screen. I'll add the totals for the full tin on screen. And then what I do have is I've got a loose pack of Circuitry and Sparks I'm going to open as well. So if you stuck around, you get to see this one as well. Again, each pack will be edited into a short. I'll sort them from there. Yeah, so Pokemon, Surge and Sparks, loose. Let's go. 1, 2. So we've got our code card, got our Dark, Simisear, Expert, Shellis, Slackoff, Iron, Lisa, Azumarill, Execute, Bronzong, and Cerulean EX. So I'll add the totals for his pack on screen. And yeah, I've added the totals for the other box already. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. I'll catch you all next time.